Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both accounts and grabbing your Openai API key. This is what links Janitor AI to the large model. Once done, pick the model and set temperature low for deterministic responses or higher for creativity, and craft a concise system prompt to guide behavior. Make sure your API quota supports expected calls, then install Janitor AI's interface, CLI or browser plugin, and verify it can authenticate. This initial bridge lets you run your first cleaning and tuning iterations immediately. Next, you configure the workflow that turns raw text into cleaned, structured output. Begin by mapping inputs to output schemas and add preprocessing like normalization and token limits. Then set chunking size and memory windows so the model sees relevant context. Once configured, enable caching and batching to reduce API usage, and implement error handling plus logging to capture failures. Make sure to add human-in-the-loop checkpoints for edge cases, because automated cleaning can miss nuanced errors. This improves reliability over time. Finally, you run thorough tests and deploy. Start by validating with varied test cases and compare outputs to gold standards. Iterate prompts and pipeline rules until results match expectations. Once stable, deploy to staging, monitor latency, cost metrics, and model quality, and then promote to production when satisfied. If things go wrong, trace logs to identify prompt misinstructions, token truncation, or rate limit throttling. Adjust chunk sizes, prompt clarity, or retry/backoff settings, and rerun tests to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.